Shalom, family! God bless you all. Thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour. And today, my friends, we are at Bum Bum KC Custom Homes here in New Braunfels, Texas. Gonna be checking out one of their newest exclusive custom modern homes, my friends. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna leave all the details to this beautiful property in the description, my friends. They do have opportunities to build from scratch. So if you guys are looking to build your dream custom estate here in the New Braunfels area, you guys can always visit our website or visit their website and set up a consultation call. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, join the YouTube familia. We'd love to have you guys part of the YouTube family. And as always, my friends, be sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video for the good news. By far the greatest part of the videos, my friends, is towards the end for the good news. And if you're looking to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area or surrounding cities, you guys can always check us out on Instagram and set up a free consultation call at NavaRealtyGroup. Alrighty, guys. All right, now that we're done with the introductions there, let's get right into this beautiful property tour. I mean, this is truly stunning. As soon as you walk in, beautiful open concept. You got high ceilings, gorgeous wooden custom beams all throughout the ceilings there. You have a very slick, modern black fireplace here right in the center, and you have an abundance of windows bringing a lot of beautiful natural lighting. Alrighty. You do have the sliders leading up to your back patio with the turf yard. And I don't know if you guys saw, but you have that beautiful foyer as you're walking up, and you have these really gorgeous light fixtures. Alrighty. Let me give you guys a quick little full view here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is a chef's kiss. Look at that commercial grade fan right in the dead center. Alrighty. Loving this beautiful floor plan. I love how they added windows not only on this side of the house, but you also have windows on this side. So even up on the ceilings there as well. The more windows, the better, guys. All right. The more windows, the better. Yes. I even asked my wife one time, babe, would you live in a house where it's nothing but windows? And she was like, absolutely. I'm like, where's the privacy in that? She's like, babe, it's not about the privacy. It's about all that natural lighting. No, I'm kidding. Probably have to get the blacked out ones. But anyways, alrighty. There you have a full half bathroom, and then tucked away over here, you're going to have a full ensuite. Now, keep in mind, guys, when it comes to custom building, the beautiful thing about custom building is that you guys have the options and opportunities to choose out your different selections from your tile, from your flooring, from your countertops, cabinetry, even, the backsplash on your stand-up showers. If you want trim on the actual shower door there, there's different selections, different modifications that you can definitely do at the design center. Now, you can always work with either the builder's floor plans, or you can always, if they're a custom builder, they might, okay, this is actually a little closet, but they're using it as storage. You can always, choose some of their floor plans, or you can always do a custom build where you sit down with, some of their trusted architects, or maybe if you have your own plans, depending on the lot size and where you purchased your lot. That will all, once again, depend on the city and, the permitting process. But then again, when you sit down with an architect, they'll be able to really give you just kind of those details after you purchase your lot or even beforehand. So anyways, this right here is a game room, beautiful coffered ceilings. Alrighty. Loving the fireplace there, setting the mood. You got the double glass barn doors here. And then you have lots of beautiful natural lighting. You have a full-blown kind of like bar area here with the glass wine fridge there. And you got a nice little sink here. Alrighty. Look at that. Beauty. Alrighty. I really wish that KC was out in the Dallas area, man. We need KC Custom Homes out there. They just do such a fantastic job. It's been years since I've been out here. This community, Vintage Oaks, has grown tremendously. And it's such a great area too. So you guys, if y'all know my story, my wife and I, we actually used to live in San Antonio back in the day, back in 2021. And right around 2022, we moved to the Dallas area. But coming back here, it's so nostalgic. And yeah, they did such a great job with this model home. So here you have another bedroom. And then tucked away back here, you're going to have a full bathroom, obviously. Walk-in closet there tucked away. Alrighty. And actually, this leads into another, okay, so you got your toilet there, and then you have your stand-up shower back here. Okay, this is really unique. So it's kind of like a Jack and Jill setup. Alrighty, so it's kind of like its own little sector here, and then you have the single vanity there, quartz countertops, nice little walk-in closet. Alrighty, and then you have the other bedroom as well for the kiddos. Alrighty. Now, the beautiful thing, guys, about building from scratch, like I tell a lot of my clients, is that it gives you guys the opportunity to make the transition smoothly, especially if you're relocating from a different state or if you need to sell your property. A lot of my clients right now that are building their homes from scratch, they're currently, have their houses on the market, in New York, Seattle, Washington. But the build from scratch route gives you the opportunity to make the transition smoothly and sell your property. And you might have a month or two buffer, but then again, you can get a small temporary residence as you are finishing up the final stages of your home. So when it comes to building from scratch. And now the good thing too is that you get to lock in the prices and the incentives, which is another big kind of pro when it comes to building from scratch. So just a little food for thought there. Alrighty, now let's get to the juicy part, guys. Oh man, look at this kitchen. Stop playing. Look at the size of this island. This is what I'm talking about. Beautiful, gorgeous quartz countertops. You even got that hood vent that matches your beautiful countertops. Gorgeous light fixtures, huge, beautiful custom beams. And then here you have kind of like a dining breakfast nook area here with its own little bar area, coffee bar here. Alrighty. And then tucked away back here, you're gonna have kind of like a little butler's pantry. All right. Or actually, this could just be a full-blown coffee bar. So this is what I'm talking about. You know what, guys? Honestly, I need to get back into the coffee, man. It's been a while since I've had a good cup of joe. I might just have that on the road back to Dallas with the wife. So we might stop by Starbucks or something. But beautiful countertops. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. All the recessed lighting. And then you also do have surround sound speaker all throughout. So just giving you, once again, the opportunity to play some nice music when the family's over, or holidays or whatever it may be. So here you have that nice farmhouse sink there, kind of a matte gray color tone there, and then you have that beautiful backsplash, quartz backsplash with a pot filler. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Pot fillers, let's go. I'm telling you guys, this has been high in demand, pot fillers. And then you have the 6-burner gas cooktop, dishwasher as well, matte black plumbing fixtures, and you also do have your beautiful stainless steel double fridge and abundance of cabinetry here with the double stack oven. Okay, let me give you guys one more little small twirl here. Look at that. That, my friends, is a chef's kiss. Look at that. Whoo, man. The wifey would, yeah, she would love this home. So, and then here you have kind of like a little office area tucked away back here, overlooking your backyard there. And I love how they kind of smooth out the walls, as you can see. Kind of has some texture there as well. And then here you're gonna have just kind of a little linen closet there. And then right over here, this is it, the make it or break it. You got your primary suite. Oof, come on now. Coffered ceilings, okay, check. Fireplace, modern, check, all right. 2 large windows, got some good natural lighting. Okay. And look at all the trees, by the way, look at that. And then let's check out this primary bath. Whoo, come on now, look at this beautiful, beautiful tile flooring, gorgeous bronze light fixtures here with a hint of gold. And then you have your vanities here with the LED strip right under the cabinets there. And you have your water closet. And this I thought was so unique. I have never seen a tub shaped this way, which I think this is really cool. I like it. I dig it. All right. And then here you got a nice, beautiful light fixture. Definitely will have to add some privacy kind of window there because you definitely don't want to, give a free show to everybody. But all right. And then here you have another full vanity set here. My wives, this is all you. Check that out. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful, huge mirror. And you have your own sauna. That's what I'm talking about. Got your own little sauna here. Alrighty. And then you got a full, beautiful, seamless glass stand-up shower with the white tile backsplash all throughout with the rain shower head. Okay. And then you have another coffee bar. What? Okay. Coffee everywhere. All right. So you definitely won't go the day without some coffee. All right. Here you got a walk-in closet. All right. Full-blown body mirror. And then this is going to lead to your washer and dryer room. So that's very convenient. All righty. And then right over here would be the garage there, but they're using that as an office. And then you do have kind of like little mudroom there. So, alrighty, my friends. Well, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna leave all the details to this beautiful property in the description, guys. Want to give a huge thank you to KC Custom Homes for letting us check out their newest model home. Go check him out. Ask for Cameron. He is fantastic. Really great guy. It's been many years since we've known each other, and yeah, super awesome guy. And thank you once again for tuning in. And as always, my friends, got to get right into the good news, which is John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those that believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, that is the greatest news you'll ever hear in your life, is that there is eternity. There is a home that is reserved for you, for me, and for all of us through the Lord Jesus Christ and what he did on that cross, where he offers redemption, hope, healing. He is here to break the shackles from your life. And my friends, I'm here to tell you that God is so good. All right. God is so good. He is so faithful. He is holy. He is righteous. And he does all things for his reasoning and purpose. And who knows why things happen sometimes. But you know what? God has a plan. He has a mission. He has a purpose, guys. All right. Testimony yesterday, guys, I got into an accident, a car accident. Thankfully, by God's grace, everybody was okay. But I'll be honest, guys, in that moment when I got into that accident, I was just like, why, God? Like, something had just happened in our lives, my wife and I. And it was just like back-to-back stuff happening, guys. I'm telling you, it was like the enemy was on overload. Like I felt like, not to compare myself with Job, right? But I felt like kind of like Job. Yeah, actually. And so there were so many things that were happening. Clients, there was people's homes, falling apart as far as like the deals. And there was just so much happening that week. And then, I get hit in the car after I just got my car back from the dealership because I got hit before. And now I just got it back and I got hit again. And so I'm like, Lord, I'm telling you guys, I called my wife and I was livid. I was upset. But long story short, guys, my wife she's such a blessing in my life. I'm telling you, she is my rock. I truly value her because she always brings me back to like, babe, it's okay. It's going to be okay. There's a solution to every problem. Relax, trust in God. He has a plan. Do not be hasty. Do not worry. Have peace knowing that he is God and he does things for reasonings that we just don't know, but it's all going to add up, And so anyways, I'm here to share with you guys that testimony, and I'm here to encourage you, even though I'm still just, it's a fresh wound that I still have because now I'm carless, but I'm using my wife's car now, which is funny. But anyways, but yeah, so I'm here to share with you guys is that God has a plan, he has a purpose, he has a mission, and I'm telling you, we all go through trials, even myself, guys. Even today, there was a huge trial that came into our lives again, but you know what? God chastens those who he loves. So see these trials as moments to just praise him even more, to glorify me even more. Yes, you might get in the flesh, you might get angry in the moment, but it's okay. We're human, that's what happens, but you have to come back to your senses. You have to trust and know that he is God Almighty, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, and he has a plan, purpose, and his plan and purpose will prevail. All right, and he loves you. You are his child. All right, you are his son, his daughter. Okay, he has made you in his image. Okay, and he wants nothing but the best for you. But keep in mind, guys, you're not going to live in a life of rainbows and sunshines where everything's going to be amazing all the time. No, God has to chasten you. He has to prepare you for the mission and purpose he has planned for you. But in order for that to come about, he needs to take you through the trials. It's like David and Goliath, my friends. Before David can go up through Goliath, he had to battle other enemies beforehand. There was training, preparation. When the Israelites crossed through the Jordan River, alrighty, and when Joshua, led them through the Jordan River, they went through this testing of faith, right? And it's just, once again, guys, it's a test of your faith, and God is here to chasten you. He wants you to trust in him. And I'm even preaching to myself, guys. I'll be honest, this is for me too. Like, it's for y'all, but straight up, it's for me too. Like, even more, because I need this. I need to. Even though today and yesterday has been this past week has been a lot of trials, guys, a lot of things. And I'm just asking God, why? But remember, God doesn't things don't happen to you. They happen for you, okay? Shalom, be at peace and trust and know that he is God, all right? God bless you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching.